Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate Binance trading fees. All right. So first off, we've got to talk about spot trading fee calculation. And the second one is for futures trading fee calculation. So for spot, just basically multiply the amount of crypto you're buying or selling by its current price. So the formula for that is the fee equals trade value. This is in USD or your fiat currency. Okay. So that is multiplied by the fee rate, which is the percentage. Okay. So sample right here, for example, you bought 10 Ethereum, which is equals to, okay, for the current price as per recording, 3425.55. Okay. So the trade value for that, okay, is equals to 34,525.50. So if your rate is equals to 0.1%, let's say the rate of this spot trading is 0.1% or 0.1%, okay, fee. This is fee right here. So this one, or this amount, or the trade value, will be multiplied by 0.001, and your total trading fee would be 34.53. Okay, so this fee right here will be taken to the asset that you'll be receiving. Again, this is right here for spot. So for futures, okay, here's how you compute it. You would need to compute the notional value, okay, equals the position size. Okay, so the position size right here would be the contract multiplied by the multiplier, or the mark price or entry price. Okay, so in short, the fee is equals to NV, or notional value, multiplied by fee rate. So the fee rate right here is the maker or taker. So for example, you open a 100x leverage position with 100 USDT. Okay, so let's go ahead and type down 100x right here for 100 USDT. So the notional value for this one is equal to 100, this one, multiplied by 100, of course, for this one. And then it will be equal to 10,000 USDT. Okay. So if the taker rate is at 0.02% fee, so it will be equal to this one, 10,000 USDT, multiplied by the fee right here, 0.0002, and it will be equal to just 2 USDT. Okay, it's basically that. And also do keep in mind that there are separate fees that are charged for opening and closing positions. Okay, so if you want ways to reduce fees, make sure that you pay with BNB. Okay, get a discount for at least 25% on spot fees. Now, your VIP levels vary as well. So higher trading volume lowers your fee rate. And that's basically it. That is how you calculate Binance trading fees. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.